DEDB History File Compare using BMC AMI Database Advisor for IMS. Before we look at the features offered by DEDB History File Compare, let's quickly talk about the History File. History File is a user-specified file which contains historical summary records of DEDB areas in non-displayable format. It is generated when the history_DD name keyword is specified with an analysis process using BMC AMI FastPath Online Analyzer for IMS. A statistics record for a specific range of UOWs can also be stored in History File using report subcommand. It can be used as input to a user-supplied reporting facility for your own internal DEDB trend analysis and planning purposes. Let's have a quick glance over the key points about History File. History File has a fixed record layout of size 200 bytes. As we know that each time an area is analyzed, a record is appended at the end of the file. However, there are few fields which are set to 0 unless specific keyword value is provided. For example, maximum record length, minimum record length, average record input-output time, maximum record input-output time, and percentage of records using IOVF are set to 0 unless keyword _validation equals to full is specified. Average synonym chain length, maximum synonym chain length, average root input-output time, and maximum root input-output time are set to 0 unless keyword _validation equals to full or wrap_validation equals to xref is specified. As said earlier, that a history file can also have statistics records for a specific range of UOWs. However, there are few fields which are computed for the entire area and are not dependent on any UOW range specified. For example, percentage available IOVF control intervals, number of SSTEP control interval size, and percentage of free space in SSTEP portion. Now, let's talk about our new offering DEDB History File Compare. DEDB History File Compare is a graphical user interface-based utility added to the BMC AMI Database Advisor for IMS. It provides a simple way to decode the records stored in History File. It provides a user the facility to view and compare history file records. It also provides an option to download the records in CSV format. Now, let's walk through the product features step by step using web-based screens. Log into the BMC AMI Command Center for IMS using your TSO user ID and password. Select Database Advisor for IMS. Once selected, you will be directed to the Database Advisor dashboard. Next, click on the Apps section to proceed. In this section, you will find the product menu. Scroll down and select the DEDB History File Compare, which can be found in the utility box. Then DEDB History File Compare screen will open. Here you enter the history file name in the file name field and click Get Data button. It will populate DBD name and area name dropdowns. Next, you select the DBD name and the area name. Once selected, you need to select the fields that you want to be displayed on the screen. You can select any number of fields. By default, 5 fields are selected. Next, you click on Show Report button. You can see history file records under Report Data section. Next, select a report that you want to view and click on the View Report button. You can now see the complete report by scrolling down. You can also download this report in CSV format by clicking on the Export CSV button. Next, select 2 reports and click on the Compare Report button. You can see the comparison report on the screen now. In the comparison report, under Change in Percent column, you can see the percentage change in a field of Report 2 as compared to Report 1. You can also download this report in CSV format by clicking on the Export CSV button. Thank you for watching.